Hello, my name is Yang Sheng, and today I'm gonna introduce you the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? It's an environmental created in a user's machine from an online application store on the cloud and run through a web browser. In a simple, cloud computing is using the internet to access someone else's software running on someone else's hardware in someone else's data center. So it's online. Cloud computing services, three types: software as a service for end users, platform as service, the application developers, infrastructure as a service, network architect. Basically, it looks like this. On the top, you have application, and then platform, and then infrastructure on the bottom. And it's called the new cloud pyramid. Software as a service end user, just run it for me, also known as on-demand server. It is an application that can be accessed from anywhere on the world as long as you have a computer with an internet connection. We can access this cloud-hosted application without any additional hardware or software, like Gmail, Yahoo. We can do that using them. Also, they can provide security features such as SSL encryption, a cryptographic protocol. Yeah, and this is an example application provided by cloud computing using the Google Cloud, where you can say files, share files online, and then comes to the platform as a service application developers give us nice application program interface and take care of the implementation. In the PaaS model, cloud provides deliver a computing platform solution stack typically including operating systems, programming language, execution environment, database, and web server. It's a platform for developers to write and create their own SaaS simple application, which means rapid development at low cost. Examples are the Salesforce.com or Windows Azure, etc. The third one is the infrastructure as a service network architect, also known as hardware as a server. It is a computing power that you can rent for a limited period of time, allowing existing applications to be run on the cloud supply hardware. Cloud provides offers computers as physical or more often as virtual machine. And this is how it works. The cloud I showed you. On top you have the service value net. That's what we can access through computer. And then and the second is the business service, IT services. It's actually like the data platform, And then on the bottom you have where all these things is saved and it's called infrastructure as a service. Then there's three modes of clouds: public modes, private modes, and hybrid cloud. Oh, hybrid cloud, my bad. Public cloud computing infrastructure is hosted by cloud vendor at the vendor's premises, and it can be shared by various organizations like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Salesforce. And then you have the private cloud. The computing infrastructure is dedicated to particular organization and not shared with other organizations. More expensive and more secure when compared to public cloud, such as HP data center, IBM. These are very private. And not private, secure, like I was saying. And then you have the hybrid cloud. Organization may host critical application on private cloud, whereas relatively less security concern on public. Uses of both public and private together is called hybrid cloud. And then you have all different cloud operating systems, for example iOS and movie Glitch, which I will show you on the next slide. This is iOS, and this is how this looks like. I will just looks like your own desktop on computer, where the difference is you can access it online and save all the files online. Yeah. Is cloud computing reduce e-waste? Definitely. Yeah, green IT cloud computing. Cloud computing is eco-friendly, and we can reduce e-waste by using cloud computing by infrastructure as a service. Cloud computing helps accelerate green IT, and it can reduce global warming too. And for last, we want to talk about disadvantage of the cloud computing. Cloud computing is impossible if you cannot connect to the internet. So no internet, no cloud. Since you use the internet connect to both your application and document, if you do not have an internet connection, you cannot access anything, even your own document. That internet connection means no work, and in areas where internet connection are few or inherently unreliable, this could be a deal breaker. And you could having a bad internet is online not able allowing to, like, it is just going to slow, and you might lose data. And when you are offline, cloud computing simply does not work. Thank you. Yeah, and here are some commercial clouds. Yeah, thank you.